Hi, Celena Miller here. Today we're going to be touring the Blackridge Clubhouse. Hope you enjoy. We're going to begin our tour today right here at the front door. This clubhouse is perfect for birthday parties, meetings, reunions, receptions. As you can see, it's got beautiful windows, beam ceilings, and plenty of seating. This is the living area. Fantastic for relaxing, something more casual for your guests. They've had baby showers here, business meetings, family reunions. I'm taking you over now to the kitchen. It's got 2 islands, commercial refrigerator, counter space for serving, commercial gas stove, this is perfect for a family gathering, or if you want to have your own caterer. They've got everything they need here. This room will accommodate a lot of people. Gorgeous fireplace. A TV if you want to watch the game or have a presentation. One last look before we head out to the pool. Okay, we're going to go on the little hallway. It takes us to the patio and to the infinity pool, and also take a look at the gorgeous lake. This pool opens at 1 o'clock on Sundays. And here's the beautiful 100-acre lake. You can boat, you can also swim. Here's a fantastic fire pit. This is fantastic for relaxing yourself or entertaining. All conveniently located right here in Hoover. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. For more information or to contact me directly, click the link below. Thank you.